Traders, serious students of market across the globe. This is Jeff Killian again for the Vector Traders Consortium, BTCtraders.com with our pre-market analysis, our pre-market live stream, Emini futures trading area where so many people have become gravitated to lately. It's almost unbelievable because of what we've been able to accomplish within the last 3 alerts. This is part 4 of the special alert that came across early in January regarding the market sell-off. We called it ahead of time on all dates, and every single recording has again showed what can be accomplished with the correct application of technical analysis. So the time is now 9:22:36. Check me here, and we're again getting out on 125/2022 right into the new analysis. Right now, the current prices are trading at about 43.41 on the S&P Mini Futures, near contract month 322. This is a daily chart updated in real time. Now, the previous levels that were all laid out, again, going back to part 1 of the original alert here, have all been laid out ahead of time, broadcasted out into the future to be used as price profit targets to the downside on an EOD basis to be able to determine when and where between or getting to those levels as both support and resistance should we lock in a profit. This is the most important thing. As a new trader, as a trader that's been around the block who is not aware of these major daily levels laid out in yellow, please take heed of what we're demonstrating here again today. This is the next level approximated to the downside, and we'll lay out 2 more both here. And again, both at this point, again, broadcasted out into the future. And so consequently, this is exactly where the prices shook out that level, which is drawn from the lower day 7/19/2021. Closing price was 42.3450. So let's get right to work here. Look at the intense volume that's come in both on the previous session, on the short day, and then here. Look at that. So the overnight session is rocking to move the process to the downside. And looking at the indicator formations here on the MFI into the ground with no look back, this says clearly that the market should continue to sell off to the downside. Here, looking at the CMF, getting right into the nitty-gritty here. On a longer-term smart money tracker, it says clearly that with a downtick after a failed try to even get up half the way here to previous support and through the trend line, prices should continue to move to the downside. So we have both short and long-term money out of the market, people, out of the market. So the bias should be and still is short. Our official call for today is still our smart money stamped out bias market trading call at a short level 7. This means that this is the time to load up and trade more contracts. So in the event that the prices may not continue to move down to the downside level here laid out from this point on the close of 10/4/2021, that price is 22.84 flat. Then this could be the very first day where prices start to trade up because of the shakeout below both of these levels here. That remains to be seen, but the higher probability still at this point as we speak, greater than 80% of that the market should continue to trade to the downside. The bias is still there, people. Once again, Jeff Killian on our pre-market analysis, on our E-mini futures representation, using this as a proxy for all of our analysis, training, and configuring how to deal with the market changes that they happen on a daily basis, our daily charts. We're signing out 9:26 a.m. The market's going to open and we have to get ready. For any information needed, necessary on how to learn how to do this, please visit our site at btctraders.com. And remember, be careful out there. The key to longevity in trading is risk mitigation.